Do you want to know how to make money on HubPages and if it really is a realistic way to earn potentially $3,000 or more per month just by writing, or if it's just a waste of time? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I love both writing and making videos, and I have both a website and YouTube channel, and therefore many people have asked me what my opinion is about earning on HubPages, and therefore I decided to dig a little bit deeper, and in this video I will share my opinion about this. I will show you what it requires to earn on HubPages, and let me just reveal right away, you can earn potentially really good money, but it is not for all. I will explain all this so you can find out if it's the right option for you or not. So let's start by going over the basics of what HubPages is, because I have seen some crazy claims in some videos where it looks like you can easily earn $100 per day and things like this. And there's also some information on the website itself, as I will show you, that says what it requires to potentially earn $100 per day or more. And it is actually possible, but you do need to do it with the right expectations. So let's start by the basis of how HubPages works so you understand why you might be able to earn. And it is a website with a lot of content. When you go there, you can see some of the different categories within tech, sports, politics, entertainment, business, arts. They have so much content and they need people to write this content, and that's where we potentially can earn. But you can see, just let's take any kind of article here. So the idea is that then now it just loads. It's a little bit slow to load, but you need to write content. This is what you can get paid to do. But it's not just that. You won't just get paid to write the articles, because all the articles you see, they have a lot of ads everywhere and in between also. And then once you join to become a writer, you also need to register for these earning programs they have, because that means that then you will get a part of what they earn when people click these different ads. And that is the biggest part of your earning will in general come from that. But you can also join what they call the affiliate program, where you can include different affiliate links relevant if there are certain products that can be recommended in the articles you write, and then you will earn HubPages will earn a commission when people click those links and potentially end up buying, and you will then get a part of that. So that's how you can earn. You can see that if we just go to the website here, it also says you join, and then after joining HubPages you need to apply for this or join the ad program and the Amazon program. Ad program is where you will then get a percentage of the different ad revenue, and Amazon is if you start including these different affiliate links, so you will also earn more by doing that. But how big a part will you then get, and how much can you overall earn? Let's also go over that. So they have an article on HubPages itself where it says that they have this ad program where you will earn through Google AdSense, which means these ads that are shown there, and the advertising revenue of what HubPages earn, you will get around 60% of the total of that. But the exact formula for how they work out the payment is known only to them, but usually comes out to between $2 and $5 per 1,000 views your article gets. I think this that the exact formula for how they work out the payments is only known to them. I just don't think that's really, that's really not okay. You are putting in a lot of effort to write. You need to know exactly how your earnings are calculated. That's only fair. That's my personal opinion. But as you can see here, that's again, it's potentially possible to earn some nice extra money like this. But let's talk a little bit more about what it requires to get real earnings, because what does that actually mean? If you're new to this, you haven't written for websites before, how difficult is it to get 1,000 views or 10,000 of views so you can really earn big money to get, for example, these $100 per day that in some places claims you can. So let's talk about what the requirements are to reach that level. So there is this article on HubPages itself that explains some of the statistics, and you see a good hub, really good article you see can maybe get 300 to 500 views per day or so, but that needs to be really good, right? And I have both website and a YouTube channel. I know a lot of people that have websites, and to get 300 to 500 views per day for one article, you know, it really needs to be good. And not only good, it needs to be lucky to rank, and you need to be able to rank it and all that. And of course, it helps to publish it on HubPages because it has a lot of authorities and can be easier to rank. But, you know, we'll talk a little bit more about the advantages of doing this compared to maybe publishing articles other ways. We'll talk a little bit about that later. But this is, again, you know, this is not something you should expect to just get right away. And they also very transparent about that. They say it's not a get rich quick, and they say here, for example, you know, some people, like, they might be able to earn 5,000 per month, but let's say you go for these 3,000 per month, like $100 per day, right? That's if you do the math from, this is HubPages' own numbers, so that's very important to understand. This is not something I'm just making up. But the person writing this, like, gets around $3 per 1,000 views. You might earn a little bit less, you might earn a little bit more, but you know, that means you need to get 300 views to earn $1. 300 views is quite a lot. In case you do not know anything about getting traffic online, that is quite a lot. But that means that you would need to then get 3,000 times 300 views. That means 900,000 views to earn $3,000 per month. 900,000 views. That's a lot of views. Let me just reveal that right away. And also it says here, like, how would you even achieve that? You know, that means that you need to get 30,000 views per day. Like, I would love to have that kind of views on my website for sure. That's huge earning potential. But I'll do a comparison about this a little bit later about this. If you get this kind of traffic, are you able to get this kind of traffic? How much can you then earn on your own website potentially? So you can see how you should actually prioritize your time. But anyway, so here this one says, like, if you write, for example, about 600 articles, then maybe you can get to 3,000 a month. But this is, again, you know, there's no guarantee that all of them will rank, and I can tell you I have a lot of experience with, like, writing articles and ranking them, and not all of them will, but this is, like, realistically. So you can see also they are transparent about this. It's not something where you can just join, write a few articles, and then you will just earn a lot. And I would say it, you know, that can definitely be great, and it is something you can do, but you might want to consider putting all that effort in, like writing 600 articles, for example. Like, that's a lot of effort. Well, like, what if you, for example, wrote 600 articles for your own website compared to writing on HubPages? Is that something that can make you more, or is it better to just start on HubPages? Let's talk a little bit about that. So in case you don't know, I have also a website, and not just this YouTube channel. And also I know a lot of people that have successful websites where they make really good money online. So I know a lot about what it requires to do that. And then when I look at the numbers for HubPages that are published by themselves, then it has some advantages, it has some disadvantages compared to making your own website. So the advantage of using HubPages is that, yes, it's already a website that is built. You don't have to learn anything about building a website. It has authority because it has built up for a long time, so it's easier to start generating a little bit of traffic there. However, it also has huge disadvantages, because in reality it's really not difficult to learn to build a website today, because it's become so easy with the systems that are available that anyone can learn to do it. And if you're willing to put in effort to write somewhere between 200 and 500 articles over the next year, let's say like that, yeah, you might start earning a little bit fast on HubPages, but you know, there's no guarantee you will get to this. And I know, again, based on my own experience and with like a lot of people I know, like, let's say you manage to get 900,000 views, like 900,000 views on HubPages, you know, it's a lot, and theoretically it's possible, but you know, again, yeah, don't really expect it, to be honest, right? That's gonna be difficult. Like, theoretically, let's say you then got 900,000 views on your own website. I would say instead of earning 3,000, then you could, you know, get in somewhere between like maybe 50 and 100,000 views if you get that same traffic to your own website, where you can get all the revenue yourself. That's not unrealistic. This is based on, if you learn to optimize your website, not only get ad revenue but also use affiliate links. That's you also can on HubPages, and really learn to optimize it. This is unfortunately not the kind of traffic I have, like, but this is based on like calculating how much, like, I know a lot of people, what they make on the websites, what they get for the traffic and all this. This is, again, like, it's a broad range because it depends on where the traffic comes from, how you monetize and all this. But it's not unrealistic if you had that kind of views to make that much money. And yes, you will not start earning right away, but if you're willing to basically write full-time, as you would have to more or less on HubPages, to write this number of articles and do it on your own website, learn how to monetize it, learn how to optimize it so it can be found, choose the right topics, all this. If you do that, it has huge earning potential. And even, you know, 900,000 views, okay, that's not something you're just gonna achieve. That, maybe you will never achieve that. But even with, like 10,000 views, 100,000 views, you can earn a lot of money, and then it's your own business. You can scale it from there, and that's what I personally would do. But it all depends on your preferences. Of course, it comes with more responsibility to create your own, and it takes more effort to set it all up, and you need to also invest a little bit in proper training to learn to do it. And I will also leave my link below to my top recommended way to learn this, but it's only if you're serious about it, if you're willing to actually take training and learn everything and implement it, then it has huge earning potential. If you just want, like, not really any responsibility other than just writing, then HubPages can be a method, but you do need to do it with the right expectations. It will take a lot of effort and work to start making any real money there. But I hope this video gave you a good overview and idea about what the right option is for you and what you can expect, so you can find out if it's the right option for you or not. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.